Hi, Charlie. Come on, Memes. Come on. This way, Mama. Come on. I know you're excited. You see all those squirrels and birds. You gotta walk this way, honey. Okay? You're not bothering the squirrel, child, okay? Come here. New York City has crazy weather. It's not raining anymore. It's super sunny out. It's warm. It's absolutely beautiful. Yesterday it was cold. It was raining. This weather is so crazy. So I have on these smaller jackets because it's still a little breeze out here. It's definitely not cold. It's nice and warm and breezy. We love it.